Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can import variable products to Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, open up your browser. Google Chrome works best and log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click on Products, All Products. On the top, you'll notice an Import button. Click on it. Now, upload your CSV file that contains your products. Make sure your file includes the parent product type, variable, and the variations type. Variation with attributes like size or color. Next, Woocommerce will ask you to map columns. Match your CSV headers with Woocommerce fields, for example, SKU, price, attributes. Then click Run Importer. After the import finishes, go back to Products and edit one of your variable products. Under Product Data Variations, check that all variations are created correctly with their prices and stock. That's it. You've successfully imported variable products into Woocommerce. And if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.